Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to control your mouse with a keypad on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start icon and select Settings. You want to select Accessibility on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go down underneath Interaction and select Mouse. Where it says Mouse Keys, use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position. And then you have additional options down here, such as only using your mouse keys when the num lock is on, as well as showing the mouse key icon on the taskbar. And you can also adjust the mouse key speed, as well as the mouse key acceleration. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.